Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here. I have a brunch thing happening today, so we're gonna go ahead and create a quick look. So if you want to see what I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use this quad from Juvia's place. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and then I'm gonna go into this. We're just gonna do something quick. It's already lit, so it's just gonna be quick. Oh, and I'm using a 204 from Makeup by Yolondo. And then when I get to the edges, I'm just slightly I almost feel like I want to put that other green there too, maybe. Let's see. This shade right here. I don't know why I'm picking that up because there's no mirror in there. Yeah, that looks better. And now I'm just gonna blend the edges. Like when I'm blending the edges, guys, I hold this so light, just like because I don't want it to mirror this palette. I want it to I want to blow it up, but I don't want it to go too up. You know, because that's not the look I'm going for. Oh wow, it is so windy outside. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this down for a second. And we're gonna use this brush right here. This is a 212. I just need this for my glue. Guys, I tell you, this look is gonna be quick. And I know this may not be the most wearable look, but it's quick. And if you guys would like, you can do this with like browns, you know. So if you don't want to go too crazy, which I get, I totally get. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, this one, and I'm gonna put that on a 209. Clean this brush a little bit, and I'm gonna go into this really light shade. Well, it's not really light, but lighter. And I'm gonna put this like right here. Like so. And now I'm gonna go back into that 204 brush and then go to that really dark shade and then just you know. Okay, so that's it guys for that eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done. I did go ahead and prime my face. I am using sunscreen as well because I'm gonna be out in the day. So I'm using this. It's from Centella. It's green level unscented sunscreen. So I'm using this. I really like this actually because it doesn't look like a white cast, which most sunscreens do. And I'm using this. This is the Silk Primer from Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know. I have my, you know, thoughts on that. It's like I could live without it. That's what I'm trying to say. Where did I put all one of these? I can never find it. Never find it. Oh, my coffee. So I'm using my Makeup Revolution See, this is like so dark, but then the other one is really light, so we're just mixing it like so, and then I get a really nice, you know, mix. Voila. And I'm gonna use my Flawless Dirty Foundation brush. I mean, that's not the name, but it's dirty, from Makeup by Yolondo. Oh, let me take off my earrings, because put you right here. And you just make sure you blend that nicely. This brush is really good, so now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna use my ABH concealer. And for my bronzer or contour, I'm gonna use, this is from Fashion Fair. It's actually a foundation stick, but I like to use it for this. I don't like foundation sticks for actual foundation, if that makes sense. I know, I just use it for this. And we're just gonna blend that out. And I'm using my 405 brush from Makeup by Yolondo. And just bring this up. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back under this thing with it, but it's fine. And then here we just tap. Bring it up like so. Now let's go in and blend that concealer with my slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo. And I like to leave this like a little bit, because it just makes it, your concealer gives you just a little bit more coverage. Just a little bit more, just a little. So I'm gonna use my Chanel powder. This one is in translucent. Looks like so. These are expensive, but they're huge, so they last for like literally ever. And again, I'm using my concealer brush to do this. Like, it just makes everything just kind of like just sit real nice. I feel like when you do that, it just melts. It just melts in the skin. I know some people might not like that, but if you prime properly, then you'll be fine. Because you have multiple layers between your skin and this, so you will be good. Just make sure you prime, you know. But to not to prime is a crime, so prime. Because you don't want to be caught, you know, in the makeup world not priming, because, you know, you will be committing a crime. I'm actually gonna do my face as well, but I am trying to find a powder. So I'm gonna go in with my honey from Fenty, and I'm gonna use my powder brush and do the same thing. Sometimes I'm having a real hard time closing this container's back. Okay, let's jump into the lower lash line real quick. Okay, let's jump back into that palette. I'm gonna use that dark green shade. Ugh, dirty my brush. Okay. It's a little bit more glue. Hopefully. Let's put lazy there. That's fine. So I'm mixing lazy and a little bit of Simone. Okay, so let's jump in with some bronzer. I'm gonna use my Tropical Bouquet. Ooh, and then put it here. I do want a little bit more concentration. So I'm gonna use this angle brush and I'm gonna go into this darker shade right here. See this shade? Oops. This girl. See, so this shade is really dark, so I'm only putting it like right here. So, and then you just tap in it. Make sure you concentrate it like right there, because whoo, if you're like my complexion, and if you're lighter than me, you just need to stick with the shade. And then I'm gonna go back into this shade and just kind of buff the edge of that so it doesn't look so harsh. You know what I mean. So that's, and then I'm done with that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this. Actually, no. Before I do that, let's blush up first. I'm gonna use this blush, and this is from Juvia's Place. Is the volume 1. I like how, you know, I'm just assuming that you guys already know. And now I'm gonna go into this, and I'm gonna use my Glam Lights X Michaela, and I'm just gonna put a little bit like right here, just on the high points right here on my cheekbone. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, what are we gonna do with the lip? What are we gonna do with the lip? What are we gonna do with the lip? I feel like I'm gonna just do something light with the lip. I'm gonna line my lip with this. This is Penelope from Zoeva. So I think this is like a little bit too creamy for me, just a little bit. And I'm gonna use Undone, or from Undone Beauty, I'm gonna use Peony Pearls. Nothing too crazy. And then just dust that face a little bit. I need something real quick for my waterline. We're gonna go ahead and use Electric Empire from Urban Decay. And we're gonna use Professional, the Professional Super Setter from Benefit. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.